Hey, we're talking about hygiene habits. Hello, Magic Makers. You're watching Creative Clara's Enchanting Childhood channel, where we're helping you to add magic to your family's daily life. Have you considered making personalized grooming kits with your kids? These are great activities to start in preschool years and then continue to refine and adjust as the children grow older. The cost and preparation time for this activity, as with most things here, can be minimal to $20 to $30, and the activity time is an hour or two. There are two things that we're going to want to prepare for this. One is a grooming bag, which we can either make or purchase, and then the second one is a shopping list of grooming supplies. Okay, so our first step here is to buy or decorate a grooming bag. This can, of course, be something that we find usually in the grooming section of our, local store. You can get them at Target and Walmart and the like. Or if you're on a tight budget, hey, you can use a large Ziplock bag and pull out some colored Sharpies and have your kids decorate those, being mindful, of course, not to get those Sharpies on anything you don't want to have permanently inked. So after we decorate our grooming bag, we're going to shop together for some fun grooming supplies. These can include lotions, shampoos, body cleansers, things that smell nice to the child. We can go with our own brushes, toothbrushes, toothpaste, all those goodies that we want to encourage the kids to use. We'll talk about how we use each of these. How do we brush our teeth properly? How do we floss properly? When do we need to brush our hair? How to clip and clean our nails? How to apply lotion properly? The full spectrum of positive hygiene and grooming behavior that we want to instill. We can discuss those and determine an approach for how we're going to do that when we're creating, organizing these bags. Then on a day-to-day basis, we're going to encourage kids to use these grooming bags. These are great things that they can keep in their bedrooms, or if there's space, you can keep them in the bathroom itself. And having that personal freedom, getting to choose the scents that are appealing to them, getting to choose maybe the little style, if there's a princess themed or a teddy bear themed, or whatever kind of theme or style appeals to them. Putting together these grooming kits can just be a wonderful way to help to establish lifelong positive hygiene habits. Okay, that's it for right now. As always, subscribe for more videos, and kudos to all of you out there who are working so hard to create magic and encourage positive behaviors within our kids today.